help to on or off the timer when we need. On top of the timer, 4 soft button switches are placed. 2 buttons available in left side and other 2 in right and side. And those are menu, set, up, and down button. Bell or siren can be connected to power socket, which is placed in the right side of the box. Let me switch on the timer. Now the timer will display the time, date and day. After every 10 seconds, date will appear for 2 seconds. And also we can find which day is today from the LED indicator. Let me discuss about the core features which is inbuilt in this system. Press and hold the program button to know the operation. First is day selection. Second is 25